as the union budget 26-27 is approaching, regarding this itself and also in general, what are your expectations from the budget, and what policy frameworks and what steps could be taken by the government in order to push this agenda of yours or this goal of yours?
Yeah, I mean, on the budget side, one of the things that, when we're talking about responsible borrowing, from a quality, Reserve Bank of India has the what's called as the RBI index, which is basically a way to measure how much inclusion is moving in this country, right? Financial inclusion. And so it has an element of access, it has an element of usage, and RBI is one of the very rare institutions around the globe as a central regulator has a quality element. What is quality really? It has multiple components, but it's about financial literacy, it's about protection, consumer protection. So awareness, protection, all of this plays a very important role. And you heard again in the panel, when we're looking at more reach, digital obviously is and given the fantastic infrastructure that this government has provided in the form of digital public infrastructure, it's very natural to kind of rely on technology. So one of the things that from a budget point of view I would love to see is if the RBI index has a gender disaggregated way in which the score is published. Right now it's an aggregate, has both men and women, and I don't know how much of it is men and how much of it is women. I would love this government has done a lot from an access point of view. From a usage and from a quality point of view, I think this is a very important shift if you're able to bring that, because what gets measured gets done. So if you know how far away men and women are from an usage point of view or from a quality point of the view, I think a lot of actors like us, along with people on the demand and the supply side, can all come together and bridge the gap between the genders when it comes to inclusion. So that would be my ask from a budget point of view.